Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'll show you how to securely hide files and folders using Wise Folder Hider. Have you ever had files on your computer that you don't want others to see? Maybe personal documents, work files, or anything you just want to keep private? Well, with Wise Folder Hider, you can make them completely disappear from Windows File Explorer, keeping them safe from prying eyes. Right now, I have a few files in a folder that I want to hide and protect from anyone who might use my computer. Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is download and install the software. Open your web browser and go to www.wisecleaner.com. On the Wise Folder Hider page, click the Download button and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and follow the installation instructions. When the installation is done, launch Wise Folder Hider and we're ready to go. The first time you open the software, it will ask you to create a login password. This password is important because it protects access to your hidden files. Enter a strong password, confirm it, and click OK. Make sure you remember this password because you'll need it every time you open Wise Folder Hider. Once that's set, we're ready to start hiding files. Wise Folder Hider makes it really simple to hide your files. In fact, there are 3 different ways to do it. Just choose the one that works best for you. One of the easiest ways is to drag and drop the files or folders directly into Wise Folder Hider. Just grab the files you want to hide and drop them into the program window. Instantly, they disappear from their original location and their status in the app changes to hidden. Another method is to use the Hide File or Hide Folder buttons inside the app. Clicking either of these will open a File Explorer window where you can select the files or folders you want to hide. Once you confirm your selection, those files vanish from their original location. If you prefer a quicker option, you can also right-click on any file or folder and select Hide File with Wise. This instantly hides the selected item without even opening the Wise Folder Hider app. No matter which method you choose, the files and folders are now completely hidden and protected. How to access or unhide your files. So what happens when you need to access your hidden files? It's just as easy. Simply open Wise Folder Hider and enter your password. From the list of hidden files and folders, double-click the one you want to access. The file will open normally, allowing you to work with it. As long as Wise Folder Hider is open, the file remains accessible. But once you close the app, it automatically hides again, keeping your data secure without any extra steps. To permanently unhide a file or folder, just open Wise Folder Hider, locate the item in the list, and choose Unhide. This restores it to its original location and removes it from Wise Folder Hider's protection. If you ever want to hide it again, you'll need to manually re-add it to the app. And that's how you can securely hide and protect your files and folders using Wise Folder Hider. It's simple, effective, and gives you complete control over your private data. Whether you want to hide files temporarily or keep them locked away for good, this tool makes it incredibly easy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.